We back. Subway. Foot long nachos. Oh, look at it. So good. You like it? You like the varieties?
No, it stinks.
Smell like you.
It smell like you.
Smell like
It
you.
smell like you.
Bro, don't touch me.
Don't touch me.
Ugly.
Stupid.
Burnt.
Who burnt?
You.
You.
You burnt.
Black and now. Look good.
Ew.
It's,
Ooh.
ooh.
Oh.
You can make this at home. Literally. Just Doritos with tomatoes and cheese. Give me some. What's this on it?
Ate it.
Stop!
So ass.
Get that from me. I started that with the Butterfinger shit when I hit him in the face with it. And now he can't come up with nothing because he's unoriginal. Give me this shit. Why would you do that? I look like some type of meat on him.
Like a damn armpit. Oh,
Look like
nasty.
your dick.
But listen, y'all. Go
Ain't
grab
no
it now.
video.
Go get it. This is something y'all really need to eat. Y'all ass gonna be eating. And I'll see you soon.